Okay, so this question is pretty straightforward. We're given the op amp, we're told it's ideal, except for the open loop gain, and they've given us this, which is A, right, our A value. So let's first solve the first thing, V out, right? So first of all, we need to find the gain, not the open loop gain, that's something else, but we're talking about just the regular gain, right? So what type of amplifier is this? Well, we can look at the way it's designed, and it should be pretty apparent that this is just a standard inverting amplifier, right? There's a resistance here, so it's not a non-inverting one. Yeah, so what's the gain of an amplifier like this? Well, we know our formula, right? The gain is equal to negative RF over RS, right? Now, what is that in this case? Well, RF is 48 kilo ohms, and RS is 4 kilo ohms, right? So that's our gain. Now, here's the thing. We don't need to find the gain, we need to find what V out is, right? So in terms of an amplifier like this, V out is just equal to the gain times V in, right? So in this case, our gain is negative 48 kilo ohms over 4 kilo ohms, or, we could just write it without the kilo because it's the same thing either way, and times V in, and what's V in? 0.1, right? So you do this math, this becomes negative 12 is, times 0.1, which is equal to negative 1.2 volts. Okay, and for the second part of this problem, all we have to do is, we have to use this number, right? So what is the equation that gives us V out in terms of this A? Well, you should have this on your cheat sheet too, but it's just this equation. V out is equal to A times V in the plus side times, minus V in on the negative side, right? So we know this equation holds true. So we just do A times, we know that V plus is going to be 0. We just put 0 in there. Minus, what's V in minus? That's what we're looking for, right? Is equal to what? 1.2 volts, right? So now to find what V in minus is, we just take negative 1.2 volts over A, which is equal to V in minus, right? So just doing some math really quick, you just, solve it out, and what you get is 4 microvolts.